Hello everyone, another doggy here and welcome to my channel to see another video about how to turn your old ThinkPad into a home service. So I got this Lenovo ThinkPad T430 from one of my friend, and actually I already installed the operating system. So today I'm going to do is to replace the old DVD driver by HDD driver. So yeah, I asked Google how many disks you can put into this laptop, and Google says 3. So, well, but before we do any changes but to the ThinkPad, first we're going to put out of the battery. Yeah, this is so you just put it off, cut the battery. I think this ThinkPad is being replaced. It's being fixed a lot of time, but anyway, we're gonna do now. We can put out of the DVD driver, and the design of that is quite unique. You didn't need anything, just by your hand you can easily get out of the DVD driver. It's also very old one. So as you guys can see, I already prepared the HDD disk caddy. I bought this from Amazon, and which that didn't cost me too much money. And the HDD driver, it's old disk. It's a second-hand disk made by Western Digital, WD Classic Blue disk. So I gonna to put the disk into the caddy. But well, the old DVD driver which get me attention, this is black stuff can be used into the caddy, I think. So I need to take it off. So I'm going to install the black back part back to the caddy. So just the same process. And now let's put the disk to the caddy. I think this is the right angle, so I will put some strings. And can it fit? Well, I need to try it. Something wrong with this. So I didn't miss the angle, so I will try it again. So let's put the disk back to. So I understand. Okay, now it fit. Very good. And at the back there are 4 screws. I need to get it on. So finally, after finish the caddy, we can put back to the computer. I think the angle is right, so let's try. And something went wrong. It cannot fit. I think I didn't miss the angle, so I see the black part is a little bit the size of this stuff is a little bit bigger than, so I need to take it off, and it fit. It look pretty ugly, but anyway, it can be fixed. So I'm gonna show you the 3 disks I'm talking about. This one is near the memory. It's the M size SSD. Well, on some old devices to be used. And this one near the USB port is the main disk. So this one. And the third disk of this laptop is the HDD driver we just installed. So anyway, the 3 disks. And after all the disk is being installed into the computer, let's put back the battery. and let's see can the system running or not. I'm actually a little bit nervous, so I hope everything goes well. So let's open the system. Can it run or not? And sorry for the angle. I know you guys cannot see very clear on the screen, but there's a clock system error. A system clock. So today is 2024 and November 27. So I will change the system date. That will fix the error. Okay, let's try to reboot again, and this time hope I can log into the system. Okay, everything seems fine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm logging into the Debian 11 system. Okay, starting from now, I'm gonna using my MacBook by SSH, logging into my home servers. So I'm already logged into the system by SSH, and this is my old file system, and the SDB one is the HDD driver we just put in. And after some command line, we get to the new file system, which I just combine the 3 disks into one virtual disk. And this is the CasaOS I'm using as a home servers. So the total disk size is just actually it's a bug. But anyway, I will ignore that and open the Jira thing. So starting from there, you cannot say any shit on the screen because of the copyright reason. So there are some TV show and some movies, and I will try can it run. It runs, so it works. And I think I don't need to try another app. Anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. See you in the next one.